the captions, front row seat to your curated reactions. All talk pure, but your eyes keep laughing. You play saint while your habits stay savage. You clap back, then you blame it on stress. Say I'm blessed while you step on next, smile on screen. Heart cold offset, you pray in public, then you gossip in text. Stop pretending to be good when you're not. You ain't healed, you just hide the rock. Drop the mask, let the cracks all show. If you're fake, let it fade, let it go. Stop pretending to be good when you're not. That's a way that'll keep you in knots. I don't need your filter, just the real. If it hurts, then it hurts. That's the deal. You love talking about the rules you follow, but the truth hits and your pride feels hollow. You want claps for the crumbs you've given. You want grace while you judge how I'm living. You say love, but it's love with the ledger, keep score. Like a secret collector, you say change, but you dodge every mirror. You say truth, then you twist it to fit you. Yeah, pull up, let's talk like adults, no theatric. You hide every flaw like it's black magic, but the bad habits leak through the bandage. Your kindness is branded, you planned it. You want halos handed, not earned. Want respect, but you never get burned. You throw stones and you cry when they return. You ain't honest, you just well earn that looking concern. Tell the world that you struggle and you snap too. Tell your friends that you're tired of the act too. Tell yourself that the image never had you. You a person, not a statue. Yeah, it's ugly, but it's honest when you say it. All the dirt, all the hurt, don't delay it. If you're lost, be lost, don't fake found. Better scars than a plastic crown. Stop pretending to be good when you're not. You ain't